All right, we've made it to room 807 here at the Marriott. This is not a bad hotel. It's a little on the small side. This is your bathroom. We don't get the stuff that the JW gets, not yet. That's not until tomorrow. This is a full-blown, this is my first time ever in America, a full-blown Marriott. Not the Fairfield, not Residence Inn, but full-on Marriott. So in just a little bit, I'm going to unpack, and then we're going to hightail onto Palm Tran to go to Gardens Mall.
20 minutes later.
Made it to Gardens Mall, and look what they have. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the 9th wonder of the world. Sears! That's right, this mall still has a Sears. Whenever they've been going extinct everywhere else, here, it's still chugging along, just like the one in Orlando.
Hey, Lois, how about we try Sears? They got good stuff.
Peter, nobody's been in Sears for decades.
Oh, come on. When I was a boy, we always used to go clothes shopping at Sears. Trust me, they'll have everything I need. What the hell happened here?